Hello, I'm Simon Rodway and I'd like to introduce you to my Draftsight Essentials course. What you're looking at on the screen is a little drawing I've done of a toy steam engine. It's designed to be made in wood, the kind of project you'd make for a child maybe. It's the sort of thing that you might want to make scale drawings of, and there are some other examples here as well. Right next to it I've got some floor plans I've done of a house, and next to that there's a layout of a kitchen, could be a bathroom as well. Again, the kind of thing that is really useful to have your CAD skills for, and even a set of elevations of a complete house or a chest of drawers. There's a very wide variety of things that CAD is useful for, and Draftsight is a really good program to use. So why Draftsight? Well, it's a top quality CAD program with the backing of a major corporation. It has millions of users worldwide. It's compatible with AutoCAD, the industry standard, with a lot of similarities of commands and tools. If you can use Draftsight, the chances are that within a short space of time you'd be able to use AutoCAD if you wanted to. But above all, it is also free to download. There is a free version with no restrictions on use, so it's really an unbeatable option for the occasional user especially, but for professionals as well. Draftsight Essentials is based on decades of drawing experience, my personal drawing experience in a wide variety of fields, and is designed to get you up and drawing as quickly as possible. It teaches you what you need to know, leaves out what you don't need to know, and right from the word go it involves you with interactive drawing exercises from the basic tools through to how to draw more quickly and how to output your drawings as well.